Welcome to Lake George, guys. It has been a trip to get here. I've been up since 4 o'clock this morning, and I had to buy a license last night. I had to stop and get a boat sticker this morning and then have the boat inspected for weeds. It is April 27th or something like that, and we are in the April 24th, the spring smelt run. I've never been here before. I'm going to show you guys how to fish a lake that I've never fished before. Actually, there's a fish right in front of us. And so we always have rods ready the instant we get in the boat here. Maybe, you know, so we're just gonna look right off the boat launch first. I catch more fish right next to boat launches than people think. It's just, usually there's streams that come in, usually there's some sort of structure near boat launches, like a ledge. And those places house fish, so. All right. Let's get actually rocking and rolling here. We're gonna turn off Bluetooth, turn off that, turn on Active Captain. I'm gonna show you guys, since this Lake George in the southern half here has like no defined structure right now. So I'm gonna go into, I've never been here before, like I said, stop panning. There is no structure here. There is just a giant bowl of everything. So what we're gonna do is, since it's the smelt run, we are gonna hop up on almost full plane or kind of go as fast as we can while reading our 2D sonar. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna look for smelt balls, schools on sonar as fast as we can go. So let's go back here. Got my leash on, and we're gonna get on semi-plane here. Shimmer all the way down. So we're in about 50 feet. I don't know my exact speed right now, but as long as I can see bottom, I'm good. Now there will be fish up shallow, but unless you have Livescope, you're kind of just casting in the dark. And so what I'm trying to teach you guys is another way to target fish. We got people trolling the shoreline, which is also great. And we have structure in front of us. I just wanted to check this area first. And I'm not going in a straight line. I'm kind of zigzagging, as you can see from the wake. If you get stopped by Marine Patrol and say, oh, you're acting weird, literally just looking for fish on plane. Making my beam width a little wider because I'm just searching. I'm not looking for an exact fish. And now I'm not looking for lake trout. It's a common misconception. I'm looking for bait. Starting to lose bottom a little bit, so I'm going to slow down. And my sonar is actually up this side of the boat. I'm also trying to keep the boat kind of level because it's on that side. If it was in the middle, I wouldn't be worried so much. This is one of the most productive ways to find lake trout. Lake trout are always hungry, they always want to eat, they're always in that feeding mood except for when they're spawning, and right now this spring and they ain't doing that, so we're good. And what's going to happen is we'll start to see fish at a certain depth. 60, 70 feet, maybe even shallower, I don't know. This is an attempt to find fish fast. And remember, we're looking for big interruptions on the screen, not little tiny marks. We're looking for like schools of bait. Getting a little deeper, I'm going to turn my my cone angle, which turns my frequency up. but that's what we're looking at. See how that's like just a little bit of fuzz there in the mid-screen? And we got Lakers right in front of us here. Oh yeah, we got Lakers right in front of us. And we're gonna try something from the big bait kit first here. I like to try to use my gas motor as much as possible. Not that I'm worried about ever killing my electric motor, because I have lithium batteries that just like never die. That was a hard mark for sure. Just went over him. Right there is what we're looking for, folks. Oh yeah, there's a Laker right underneath him. Coming right up to him, actually. Look at that. That's pretty slick right there. All that bait just got pushed to bottom by me and the Laker, which is super cool. There's only that one Laker around that bait, which is weird. Normally there's at least two, and maybe I just didn't see them. Got even more bait. It's nice to be at a lake that actually has food in it. Been fishing Lake Winnipesaukee and our smelt populations are not doing well. All right, we're just gonna stay here. I got a Laker right below me here. See if he's interested in the big bait. Didn't want to chase, but he's chasing me to the bottom, all right. He's got fish that are continuing to move here. Coming right up to the live scope. What are you doing? All right, here comes one. Here comes one. Got him. Ugh. That's a Laker for sure. Just freaking smoked it. He's gonna want to run for sure. He was up high. Go do your thing, buddy. Go do your thing. Go run. Oh, he's burping. He's burping. He's burping. Nice. First Lake George lake trout, guys. Pop him on the floor. Pop the hook out, and he's spitting up very big smelt. Nice little chunk. Nice little chunk. Going back in. So we're using the big bait kit today, only because I've seen pictures of the smelt in this lake and the lake trout on social media, mainly Facebook, and they seem to be running bigger than our smelt lake where I fish in New Hampshire, where I guide. So we're using the big bait kit from benditfish.com. We're using 1 ounce non-lead right now with a 6/0 hook and a 6-inch grub tail that's glow in the dark. Now everything glows, and I feel like that's really important down at 100 feet. There's just not a lot of light down there, and it gives something for the Lakers to really focus on. So we got another Laker right in front of us here. But that's the regimen. Literally get up on plane, look for those fish, spin around, stop on them, spot lock on them, and drop down. And they're usually right around, and they're usually really, really fired up. So if you want to learn more about lake trout, either click here or here, and I'll see you in one of those next videos. If you folks want to support the channel, visit benditfish.com.